Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7. Today's new chapter, chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. Dear students, please pay attention over here. Today I have sent chapter number 13 worksheet. Please solve it and then you start this chapter number 14, electric current and its effects. So let's begin this chapter, electric current and its effect. Students, as you have seen in your previous standard, electric current and its circuits. Now, little bit the chapter name is changed, electric current and its effects. So, you must know that the game of electric, right? You must know I think in your previous standard you have prepared small circuits. In that small circuits, what are the different components that require to prepare the circuit? First of all, dry cell, then switch, right? That switch that you have made up, of that a safety pin, right? Then bulb, then wire, copper wire, right? So these are the components to prepare simple electric circuits. Okay. And the current which is flowing in the circuit, once the current is flowing, electric bulb glows. Okay. So these that you have studied in your 6th grade. Student, here this is small game with the help of concept of electricity, right? You can see you take two stand, that is wooden stand, waste wooden material is there, and then take two iron, then fix it on that wooden stand, then take this copper wire and tie it with these nails, take one dry cell, one safety pin and bulb, right, and join the circuit as shown in this figure. Now, this is very interesting game. Dear students, you can play with your friends this game, right? And it is very interesting. You see, you ask to your friend that you have to move from here to here without touching that wire. If the wire is touched, means your game is over, right? And if your wire does not change with this key, it means you are winner, correct? And from here to here, if the wire is touched then bulb glow, means he is out. So this is very fantastic and interesting game that it proves your intelligence, right? To make a simple circuit, right? This is game and this is a simple circuit also. These you can prepare in my that science enrichment activity, right? For the marks, right? So this is very interesting. Okay, students. So let's next we are going to see the different components, right, of electric circuits. Dear students, we are going to study in this chapter, explain the significance of electric circuit diagrams and symbol used in them, interpret different symbols for the electric component. Just now we are going to see. Describe a battery and identify its symbols. Draw circuit diagram using symbols for electric components. So let's begin with the electric components. Students, you can look simple electric circuit diagram that you have studied in your grade 6. Here cell is there. Plus and minus means positive terminal and negative terminal. Switch is there. Then current, it is moving from positive to negative, right? Conventional current. As electron moves from negative to positive. You see electron flow. Electron always move from negative to positive. Correct? Students, this minus terminal means electron. So electron always move from negative to positive. While the conventional current is just opposite to flow of electron, means positive to negative terminal. Then light bulb and wire. These are the components of simple electric circuits. Now, a circuit diagram is a simplified pictorial representation of an electrical circuit using standard symbol for electric components. Now you can see here that connection is made, cell, wire, right, switch, electric bulb. Here the switch, original switch they have taken, but we can make switch by with the help of that safety pin. Bulb, LED bulb, 1 rupees 2 rupees is there. Cell वो तो आपके घर में होंगे ही, आप वायर भी पड़े होंगे. So with the help of this you can prepare this simple circuit also and prepare that game also. Okay, now in that circuits, that cell which is represented by this sign plus minus, one long two parallel lines are there, positive terminal and negative terminal. Light bulb which is represented by this circle, inside that filament is there. Switch which is represented by this symbol, right, two dots and then line, straight line is there. It means switch is on, rubber, and this is a wire. So these are the components of simple electric circuit. With the help of component you can join the circuit and circuit will be on or off. Many times you have seen on that electric pole on railway station where transformer is there, you can see such type of symbol. What is this, students? It is the danger, means from that device round about 25,000, means high amount of voltage is passing there, right? So we have to be careful and beware. When such type of symbol you can see, don't touch any components, any wire. Okay, so beware of this. Now students, let's we understand the each component's explanations. You see, cell. The positive terminal of the cell is represented by vertical long line and the negative terminal of the shell which is represented by small line, right? Switch we are using as on off button. Wire which is used to flow electric current. Light bulb, that is LED bulb. Whether the circuit is on or off, we can know by this glowing the bulb. If the bulb does glow, it means current is passing. If the bulb does not glow, means switch is off. Bulb glow means switch is on. Okay. Dear students, these are the different symbols of electric component. The first one is electric wire, switch, battery or cell. This is cell. Okay, and this is bulb. This is the diagram of closed circuit. Closed circuit means the circuit is on. You can see here the bulb is on. So a circuit is said to be complete when the current flows through it. It is said to be closed circuit. It has switch in the on position, right? Switch is on. You see the direction of the current from flow positive terminal to negative terminal, and the direction of electron from negative terminal to positive terminal. Remember this 2 point. Here see, I am a wire. Here you see, I help in connecting my different friends in a circuit to enable current to flow through the circuit. So it is the component, that is wire, which is used to flow the current. This is the introduction of cell. I am a cell. I am very powerful. Without me, you cannot use your calculators, cell phone, watches, even your TV remote. So this is the cell, where you can see it is symbolized by this cell. Two parallel lines, one bigger and other is smaller. Bigger terminal, that is positive terminal. Smaller, that is negative terminal. Okay. This is the symbol of bulb. I am the brightest part of the circuit, the bulb, but I need to be in the circuit with all my other friends to glow. Correct? You see, bulb, that symbol is also given. What is this? Students, you can see here this is one cell, this is another cell. Means when the construction of more than two cells join together, it becomes battery. So this is a symbol of battery. You see here, in order to connect multiple cells to prepare battery, we use a cell holder. तो ये बैटरी बन गया, right? When you use more than two cells, it becomes battery. So dear students, a battery is a combination of two or more cells connected together. Here you can see that plus, minus, plus, minus. This is the correct connection of battery. है ना? देखो पहले प्लस तो माइनस, उसके बाद प्लस, देन माइनस, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, दो प्लस नहीं, दो माइनस कनेक्शन नहीं, तो बैटरी वर्क नहीं करता है, राइट? Attraction must be there, means opposite charge. When you connect in opposite charge, then and then you see it is the correct polarity, plus minus symbol, plus minus, right? So this is the proper connection of battery. So what is the concept? Always connect the positive terminal of one cell to negative terminal of the next cell in the battery. Correct? So battery are marked plus and minus to help you to find the positive and negative terminal easily. Correct? So you have to attach positive terminal of the first cell to negative terminal of the another cell. And you see the positive terminal of the second cell to negative terminal of the third cell, like that. Sorry, negative terminal of the same cell, like that. Two battery is there, you see. Sorry, two battery nahi. Battery connection is there. Dear student, these are the devices in which we use battery. Here motorcycle toy is there, battery, calculator, right? In that watch, in that mobile, lithium battery is there, button cell is there. Different type of batteries are there that we can use, right? In our simple circuit we can use two cells also. So if we use two cells, means if we construct with the battery, then bulb will be glowing more because battery is there. Now not single cell is there. Now it becomes double, right? So its capacity is more to glow the bulb. What is this? It is a circuit diagram. Here circuit is on or off, students. Circuit is on, and it on the left side it is construction of battery, minus plus minus plus. It's a correct connection. Battery is there, bulb is there. Okay. So dear students, circuit diagram is also known as electric diagram, right? Wiring diagram or elementary diagram or electronic schematic diagram. So today's our topic. We stop here. Till here we study. Okay. So have a nice day and good day. Thank you.